Good morning, class 9. Today we will discuss about the discovery of electrons. So let's start. Student, electron, we know that the subatomic particle of an atom, and atom is the building block of matter. So J.J. Thomson was the scientist in 1897 discovered the electron. Type of experiment he had done. Today we will discuss. J.J. Thomson taken a discharge tube. This discharge tube is a cylindrical glass tube as shown in the figure. You can see here this is the cylindrical glass tube in which its two ends is sealed. Two metal plates are fitted in its two ends, which are connected with the terminal of battery. One is connected with the negative terminal of battery, that is called cathode, while another is connected with the positive terminal of battery, that is called anode. This is the vacuum tube used to reduce the pressure inside the discharge tube. And the source of energy, that is battery, is connected also, and this one is the switch. J.J. Thomson filled this discharge tube with gas and reduced the pressure with the help of vacuum tube. And when he passed a high voltage current, approximately 10,000 volt of current inside the discharge tube, he observed that the stream of rays are produced from cathode, means from negative electrodes. These two are the electrodes. He was observed that stream of rays are produced from cathode and moving towards the anode. These rays he named cathode rays. These rays consist of negatively charged particle, and these negatively charged particle which are present in these rays, these are named as electrons. And by this way, J.J. Thomson discovered the subatomic particle electron which carry negative charge. He explained the discovery of electron. He said that when high voltage current is passed into a discharge tube, then these rays consist of atoms, and all atoms contains electrons. So when he passed the high voltage current, he said that electrical energy pushes out some electrons from the cathode rays, and by this way the negative charge particles are discovered by the J.J. Thomson. Now, characteristics of an electron. There are mainly two types of characteristics of an electron. One is mass of electron and one is charge on an electron. We will discuss. First is mass of an electron. Mass of an electron is 1 by 1840 mass of hydrogen atom. It means when we are comparing the mass of an electron, because electron is very small particle, so mass of an electron, if we are comparing with hydrogen atom, then the mass of an electron is 1 by 1840 of mass of one hydrogen atom, which is very small. And so that in general we will taken as the mass of electron is negligible, and this mass of electron is called relative mass. Then what is the absolute mass? If we are talking the absolute mass of an electron, absolute mass is 9 into 10 to the power minus 28 gram. Next is charge of an electron. The absolute charge on an electron is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb of negative charge. And if we are talking about the relative charge on an electron is, we will take in minus